In this video, you'll learn how to effectively collect emails using StanStore. By the end of this tutorial, you will have created a lead magnet product that captures potential customer. Begin by navigating to your StanStore dashboard. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the menu on the left side of the screen. Next, click on the option labeled My Store. This will direct you to a new page where you can manage your store's products and settings. Within this section, locate and select Add Product. This action will take you to a menu where you can choose the type of product you want to create. Once you are on the Add Product page, find and click on Collect Emails Applications. This specific product type is referred to as a lead magnet. After selecting this option, you will see a new interface that allows you to set up your email collection. Now, choose Collect Emails to proceed with the setup. You will be prompted to enter details for your lead magnet. Start by filling in the title field. For example, you might write, "Get my free guide." This title should be engaging and clearly state what users will receive in exchange for their email. In the next field, provide a description. This text should explain what users will get in return for submitting their email address. Be clear and concise, as this will help encourage potential subscribers to complete the form. If you wish to gather additional information, you can optionally add custom fields like name or phone. If you are offering digital content as part of your lead magnet, this is the stage to upload it. Alternatively, if you are only capturing emails without a giveaway, you can skip this step and leave it as a simple email capture form. After you've completed your setup, look for the buttons at the bottom of the page. You will have the option to either save as draft or publish. If you choose to save as a draft, your lead magnet will be stored for further editing later. If you're ready to go live, click Publish. This action will make your lead magnet available to your audience, allowing you to start collecting emails immediately. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.